Greetings, Marco. And we're going to be looking at how we can create a photo album right in our PowerPoint right here. Yes, very important. First thing that you wanted to do is to go up to the Insert tab and click on. Now, when you click on the Insert tab, right, what will come up? You see all of these ribbons come up. Right, very important here. Notice right here, in image, it says a photo album. Now you're going to click on the little pointer right here. When you click on the little pointer, you're going to come right here. That's a new album. So you're going to click on new album. Now it bring a new album, it bring up this particular window here. Notice you can actually move this window, put it where you want it. If you notice right up here, say this, new text box and all that. If you notice right here, this is the picture area. This is the preview, what it look like. But if you notice right down here, you choose the amount of picture you want on the slide. So I'm going to select the picture by coming right here. So file this. So I'm going to click, so this is going to take me directly to the desktop, right? So I can actually scroll up here and come right here and click on desktop. Now these are all the pictures that I really want on it, right? So what to do, I want to click on the first one right here, and then I'm going to put the cursor up on the last one, hold on the shift key, and click like that. Notice highlight everybody, so I'm going to click on insert right here. Notice when I click insert, you notice it insert everything right up here, 1 to 8. Now I'm going to decide how much on a slide. If you notice up here, if I come like this and I click on this one, notice the display over here. I come and notice the display just the same right over here, but what I want to decide how much per slide, right? It's a picture layout. If you notice fit to slide, I'm going to click on it down here. So 1 picture or 2 picture or 4 right here. That because it's 8 picture, I'm going to put select 2. Now we have this now. This is the layout right here. You will see exactly what taking place right here. Notice it's a triangles and the teams. Now that right here is a captain, show all pictures, I can add picture, black and white. And all that. So right down here, you have cancel, I have create. I'm going to click on create. Now I'll click on create. Right? If you notice, and right over here, it actually gives me a design right here. So I'm going to click on that particular design there. I'm going to click. I'm going to change the name right inside here. Right, so I'm going to click the name. I'm going to put that name there here. Good. So as soon as I do that now, if you notice the photo them right over here, what I can do, I can come inside here and I can actually form a photo right here. And I click on it, you notice right up here. Right, I can give it a nice little shape right here. Right, so that it look unique when you're running a slideshow. Right, if you notice this one right here, I can size it up a little more. Right, so I want to actually let them on the same size. You can also change the background of the slide just the same. Come down just like that. We're going to come right here. We're going to choose one neater one right here. Right, so we're going to choose that one. Right, so we're going to come right here. I'm going to choose this one, but what we wanted to do, size it in just like that. Some more. Alright, so we're going to go to this one now. But this one, we're going to click on it. Right, you know, it's more smaller. Right, so if I carry it up, right, bring up this one a little more, just like that. Then we're going to put a nice little slide right there. Alright, so we're going to put that one right there. Alright, so notice your album coming alive. Alright, so for this one now. Alright, let's see if we can get a nice little shape for that one. Alright, so we're going to put this for this one. Alright, good. So we actually do that now. So what we wanted to do is run a slideshow. You can come right here and run a slideshow. You can come right here and click on slideshow. You can take from the beginning, you can take current, or you can come all the way right here and click just the same. But if you notice, it's a photo album was created by Mark Brown. You can see down arrow, and this is where you actually come into play. Come like this, come like that, and keep pressing the down arrow. Right, and this is the way you actually create a photo album right here in Microsoft PowerPoint. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.